What is it?
You did not buy her diapers.
What is it, Kaden?
Diapers.
Are you sure it's diapers? Let's open up the box and see what's in it. Here. Now open up and see what's in it.
Emily, back up so she can look. She'll show you. Whoa.
What is that?
I want to get that, Mommy.
Okay, wish list.
What is it? What is it? Is that your tutu? No, you did not just throw it on the floor. You want to try it on?
Let's do it, Juicy.
Jason doesn't know anymore.